Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I am going to differentiate phonetic and phonology. Definitions. Phonetic is the scientific study of the production, transmission and reception of speech sound. Phonology is essentially the description of the system and pattern of speech sound in a language. Phonology is the subfield of linguistics that study the structure and systematic patterning of sound in human language. Difference between phonetic and phonology. Phonetic and phonology are the two fields dedicated to the study of human speech sound and sound structure. Both are concerned with the same subject matter or the aspect of language, speech sound as the audible result of articulation. We will discuss each one individually and then compare them side by side. Phonetic is about the physical aspect of sound. It studies the production and the perception of sound, called phones. Phonetic has some categories, but if not specified, we usually mean the articulated phonetic, that is the study of the production of speech sound by the articulator and the vocal tract by the speaker. Phonetic transcriptions are done using the square bracket. Phonology analyzes the production of all human speech sound, regardless of language. Phonetic is the study of human speech sound. Phonetic studies which sound are present in a language. Phonology is about the abstract aspect of sound and it studies the phonemes. Phonology is about establishing what are the phonemes in a given language. Phonology is just one of the several aspects of language. It is related to other aspects such as phonetic, morphology, and syntax. Phonology is the basis for further work in morphology, syntax, and discourses and orthography design. Phonology analyzes the sound pattern of a particular language by determining which phonetic sounds are significant and explaining how these sounds are interpreted by the native speaker. Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized and used in natural language. The phonological system of a language includes an inventory of sounds and their features, and pragmatic rules which specify how sounds interact with each other. Phonology studies how these sounds combine and how they change in combination, as well as which sound can contrast to produce difference in meaning. Phoneme. A phoneme is a basic element of a language or dialect from which words in that language or dialect are analyzed as build up. The phoneme is defined by the International Phonetic Association as the smallest segmental unit of sound employed to form meaningful contrast between utterance. According to most contemporary linguists, however, the minimal bundle of relevant sounds feature. A phoneme is not a sound. It can be realized only through one of its allophone. It is a class of sound, actualized or realized in a given way in any given position, in different way in any given position by its representative, the allophones. A phoneme is generally regarded as an abstract of a set, as speech sounds which are perceived as equivalent to each other in a given language. For example, in English, the K sound in the words kit and skill are not identical, but they are perceived as the same sound by speaker of the language and are therefore both considered to represent a single phoneme, k. Different speech sounds representing the same phonemes are known as allophone. Phone. It is a speech sound or gesture considered a physical event without regard to its place in the phonology of a language. It is a speech segment that possesses distinct physical or perceptual properties. It is the basic unit revealed via phonetic speech analysis. Allophones. One of the phonetically distinct variant of allophone. The occurrence of one allophone rather than another is usually determined by its position in the word. initial, final, and medial, etc., or by its phonetic environment. Speakers of a language often have difficulty in hearing the phonetic difference between allophones of the same phoneme because these differences do not serve to distinguish one word from another. In English, the T sound in the word hit, tip, and little are allophones. Phonemically, they are considered to be the same sound, although they are different phonetically in terms of aspiration, voicing, and point of articulation. Assimilation. It is a common phonological process by which one sound becomes more like a nearby sound. This can occur either within a word or between words. Elision. Elision is the omission of one or more sound in a word or phrase, producing a result that is easier for the speaker to pronounce. Sometimes sound may be elided for euphonic effect. In English, elision is often unintentional, giving a result that may be in some cases be impressionistically described as slurred or muted. Often, however, the elision is deliberate, as in the use of contradiction. Elision elements are often weak syllables or voiceless consonants. The finest example of what happened in Elision are presented by such expressions as Jack and Jill, black and white, high and low, wind and rain, bread and butter. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक के रिलेटेड असाइनमेंट्स की ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं। आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल फॉर यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।